welcome back to the channel. We're doing something exciting today. What are we doing? Don't be running away. I see what you're doing.
Slamming the Accord.
Yes, sir. With some nice BC Racing coilovers. Got a lot more.
Little lift.
Nice little lift. Got the taillights. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. Let's see those badges.
That's the back. And that's the front.
Even though we're doing the cosmetic stuff right now, we're in the middle of doing some coilovers, which this video should be out first, the coilovers. Take a look.
This has to come off because it's all. Yeah.
I would take the whole thing off.
Yeah. Ta-da!
Still on here.
Oh, it's just like a pin. Brandon.
You stuck already?
No, I'm not stuck. I'm just. It must be easier way to these clips off.
You're stuck.
I'm stuck. My hands are too full with the clips.
I know that feeling all too well.
Yeah, my fingers
it's
are
that kind
done
of a
too.
clip.
There's a locking tab on it.
No, pretty sure there is.
Oh.
I loosened it this way.
My hands aren't cold, if I'm gonna be honest with you guys.
Must be nice.
Struggle of being a Canadian and wanting to do car stuff. This is you with summer with 23 degrees and all of a sudden it's -4.
Right, it was so nice a few days ago.
Somebody had a season opener.
Already?
Yeah, and literally there was so many cars. Everybody brought their cars out and I'm like, you guys realize there's still salt everywhere.
Yeah, people are driving their cars. It doesn't look like it's cold, but it's cold.
Oh,
I think those are 8 mils. Why don't you use a little Mac?
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a whole bunch of 8 mils and clips that hold in the taillights. So yeah, essentially we started with that trunk liner. This looks like it would be one assembly. Definitely that plastic piece is gonna have to come out.
Hands aren't even working properly.
That one right there.
This
And
is
then
two and
that one right there.
It comes off from the outside.
Yeah, there's 2 more 8 mils on the side.
So. Yeah, so all those clips are getting popped out like this.
Just pop it. There we go.
What's the wires?
Buddy.
We were struggling to take out those taillights, so we were referring to the new ones to figure out how to separate it from the trim piece. Seems like there's a couple more clips holding it in, which would be under the foam right here. Kind of hide it very well. There's
That white clip. It's all clips, we don't want to break it.
Yeah, of course. Oh, you got both of them out at the same time? Okay.
I don't know if I want to peel this off, but unfortunately...
I'm not going to peel it off yet.
Oh, we have to put it on. We'll figure it out.
Hopefully this is plug and play.
Hopefully it's right. Dude, it's not? Calling it. Oh, dude, that's going to look so sharp.
That looks interesting, to say the least. What the heck?
Doesn't look like a stapler anymore.
A stapler, that's crazy.
And then... That's why they give you new ones. I think these break. I think I'm gonna try not to, but...
I see why they give you new ones.
We were... Should I just do the tape method? Duct tape. Don't worry, any adhesive that's stuck to your taillight will be removed at some point. This done. That's how it comes off?
Yeah.
Oh, it comes off that way? Yeah. I thought it slid out like every other tail.
You know what? That's going in there.
Ryan's like, I don't give no shits anymore, I'm cold.
Unless they plug into here.
I would assume so. So they're all
yeah,
matching.
That makes the most sense.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Damn.
Okay, alright. Seen that in person? That's fire.
Shit.
There's so much going on.
Just want to stay behind this car.
Yeah, that. And I got a medium dark roast double.
And a honey cruller.
And a honey cruller. No, that's it.
This is so nice.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Mandatory Tim Hortons stop.
Well, you know, it's not typical if they don't screw up your order, to be honest with you. And I'm pretty sure all the drinks were supposed to be large.
Not mine. Oh.
Screw.
Well, anyways, it's mandatory before the 3.5 hour drive. And it's already, what, 6 o'clock?
5:55.
It's not actually 6 o'clock.
Oh, sorry. We still gotta come back and then work. All right, well, anyways, Ryan finally caved. He finally folded.
He's gonna cave and he's also gonna get concaved.
Concave. What are we doing? Why are we making this 3.5 hour drive?
Set of wheels for the Accord.
See, I knew that we could just pressure you into it. You slammed it.
When everybody around is buying wheels, it's kind of hard to not want to buy wheels yourself.
I think your wheels got stolen twice by this point.
Wheels
Yeah, they're stolen by some guy that drives a red Tesla.
I think we're making good time. Right now, everyone just had to stop. Of course, they left me. So let's kind of mess with them a little bit. Little does he know. See, he's got that smirk now. Wait.
You're gonna break the lock.
I thought you were gonna let him walk up to the car.
Oh.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
And look at the pump, you're not there. And like, I knew you obviously wouldn't have left without me. But I was like, all of a sudden went through my head was, the Uber's not gonna come get me, come back. 3 hours, 45 minutes with a stop.
A lot of people chilling in the
Look, they're
parking lot.
super reserved, Brendan, your friends. Jesus, man. Two fronts. I'm looking at the flashlight.
There works.
It's like basic railings.
Oh yeah. It's all the time in my
Get
work.
tires too.
Yeah.
What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
Man.
How do you feel about this?
Clean.
Well, it's serious. You know, when the ratchet strap comes out, currently just got all the wheels in here. That's how dedicated we are to it.
Yeah, 2 on the roof.
And we got the 2 up there getting strapped down. Told you, 1 trip. We're doing it.
Let's check the time real quick.
No, what's the time?
So we have 3.5 hours back. So like 1 a.m.
like earliest 1 a.m.
We left at 5:30.
Plus we're all working, so this is gonna be fun.
Except for me, I just got golf tomorrow.
This guy, lucky.
Eventually.
I feel like everything is gonna be the most time consuming.
Man, who taught you how to floss? I know damn well you don't floss your teeth.
Yo, you're not gonna call me out like that.
Watch there be a bolt there.
Oh yeah, I didn't even look.
You know what? All right, full send.
Ah, my fingers!
And you got the spacers. I forgot about that. Okay, spacer it is.
It'll talk a little bit once it's lowered, but
It's held in now. Bro, that looks so good. This is what it needed. God damn.
oh, it looks so much better without the spacer.
Yeah,
I won't even need a spacer.
you don't need it.
No, I don't need it. We like good fitment around here with no spacer. Not like this guy. None of this.
That's with the spacer.
That's with the spacer. None of this. See? None of that.
You don't understand how excited I am about this.
So you watch that barrel, boy. no way I got that. 19 by 10 in the rear.
Oh, that is perfect.
None of that spacer garbage in the rear either.
Oh my god.
Take a look at the rear.
Here we buy the tires, and we use all the tires. Just because we wear one edge, you see a perfectly good edge on the other side.
That's what I like to see. Smoke this up quickly. No, it doesn't fit right. Well, the reason I couldn't get it out is because there's clips underneath. Hard to see, but there are clips under this holding it in. You can kind of see, maybe not too well. That's a nut holding it in and a whole bunch of clips.
It's Sounds like he's winning.
Are you winning, son?
Finally got the plastic clips off of the boiler. Got Ryan again trying to heat up the adhesive to finally get this thing off. Got the good old Eastwood fender roller going here.
The biggest issue right now, let's say I'm gonna go and roll it, right? You wanna start off with a very mild angle to start the lip. I can only come at it at a hard angle because of how low the car is. I don't know if anybody's seen that TikToker where he modified this. He literally cut this, brought it down and welded it so he could roll his slammed car. I'm not doing that.
Finally.
You got the lip on.
Got it off.
The trunk lip.
Oh, we haven't even done a test fit ever.
That's it right there.
It's coming together.
That lip changes a lot.
See this inner skin here? Instead of welding them together, or tack welding, they're literally seam sealed. I didn't even notice until I started rolling and I'm like, wait, what is that?
Watch, it's not even gonna go on straight. Why aren't you putting it on the wing?
Don't you put it on the trunk first? Let's roll it back up.
Why'd you cover the hole?
Why is everyone giving me lip like they're some professional, man? I don't see you doing anything, bud. Keep your yapping. Help me.
Did you see him do that?
Actually, yeah, I swung by.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
What's rubbing? The inner, remember that inner skin?
Stupid inner skin.
Yeah, the stupid fucking inner skin. That's what's touching.
Getting that fitment perfect. Brendan already pulled and rolled on this side. We're not touching it all right now. This fitment is perfect, no spacers. Here's a nice little life hack or tip for y'all. If the fender roller is gonna run into the caliper,
It literally catches the caliper, so my dad literally walked out here and was like, why don't you just put a spacer on there? I'm like, I didn't even think about that. And I completely get it.
we made it. Not really the best job, but I tried to get, you know, as close to the edges as possible. And we still got to trim the parts that hang off.
You have nails?
Yeah.
No way.
I got no nails.
Right now, boy.
You ever watch Spy Kids?
Okay. All right, why would you offer of all people to do that?
This is gonna be a time lapse soon. Oh, you finally got it. Let's go. Look at this. Brendan's already halfway done.
Line up that body line. Is that lined up? How's the back? Yep.
Yeah, I
Good?
think that's good.
So slowly pulling this. At least the wing went on, that badge just went on, wheels went on.
Quite a bit in
There's
one
just
night.
One thing that didn't go on,
The lip.
the front lip.
I bought the lip for the facelift model.
Crazy that we did that whole drive pretty much to Ottawa after work. Come back.
Still here.
We're still here. Got the wheels mounted, flipped the tires, spoilers on. And in this video, the taillights go on too, so quite a bit in this video. Accord's getting some adjustments. It's getting raised so that we don't have too much rubbing issues. Not that it's rubbing on the quarter panels,
Just rubbing on the felt fender liners.
but also wanted to show how the wheels are in the daylight, and I guess you can kind of see in the wet too. That fitment is nasty. Honestly, I think that front fitment is perfect. For a daily driver, that's perfect.
Yeah, like no camber either.
I
I'd
think
go a
it's
little
great.
bit just to, if you wanted to tuck it and go a little bit lower, but
You sure you're measuring the right thing there?
Well, somebody clearly left a mark at 3.5 centimeters here.
They couldn't decide if it was 3.5 or 4, so they just left a mark. Covering both.
We removed one of the collars because we wanted to dump it. Here we are putting the collars back on because we can't go any lower in the front.
I think we got it.
Ryan's like, damn it.
Let's see what happens when he takes apart the big off.
Never mind.
Perfect. You think that's perfect? Yeah.
Sure?
What? What's wrong?
Because I knew at first you're like, damn it.
Yeah, literally, I was like, and then I took off my e-brake and feel the car go. I was sitting on my lip.
All right, final thoughts.
Well, I'm not rubbing anymore.
That's the important part.
So this was 3 days in a row. I'm tired. But it's only
Yeah.
Totally worth it.